I am the drum and bass father. 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 Gully like Gaza. Don't wear Gucci, don't wear Prada. When I have sex, I like to push it in harder. Strangle the bitch with an iPhone charger. Enough of them think that the big but I'm larger. What goes around comes around like karma. Fuck the president, fuck Barack Obama. All they give a fuck about is guns and armor. I'm addictive like Candy Crush Saga. See me with a big spliff and a glass of carver. Bigging up Dizzle Kid and badness lava. I don't give a fuck, I'm a drum and bass barer. I ain't got no animals but I'm a farmer. Traumatics got the harvest of marijuana. I was in a hotel room with one freaky bitch. She was masturbating with a banana. I'm the #1 challenger. I'm like a football manager. Annihilate then damage ya, then cannibalize and savage ya. Drinking blood like Dracula. I'm amazing and spectacular. When it's late, don't ring my phone. Send me a message, I'll get back to ya. When you hear me a badness back to back, make you wanna give him all my happy slap. Turn your dad into an unhappy chat. I'll fuck you up like a gram of crack. Come out of nowhere like a heart attack. Don't talk shit, don't start your crap. You know I don't know what I mean.